Now this question say an object of mass 4 kg. Make we bring out wetin they don't give us here. Mass na 4 kg is moving at 5 meters per second. Meters per second na for speed. So if you use v as your speed and they say na 5 meters per second, what is its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy na they say make you find. Me, if I use here kinetic, before I would even think anything, I go first write the formula. Kinetic energy equal to half mv². You know, this particular kinetic energy, they always want to resemble momentum. You know, momentum, get your formula, mass times velocity. You say they almost resemble. The difference is way, before you go even use the speed multiplied by the mass, you go need square. If you square the speed before you use and multiply the mass, now you gonna say don't talk about kinetic energy. Then the half will follow. Sure, you understand? So no, plenty mistake where students they do, they fail this particular question, they mistake this momentum formula for kinetic energy. So just know the difference. Kinetic energy na half mv². Now, waiting be kinetic energy now. Half times your mass na 4 times your speed na 5. So you get 5. Don't forget to square them, because if you dey rush, can't put that 5, you know, can't square them. You can't do 4 times 5, give you 20. Half of 20 will give you 10. Sometimes we should say 10 go there among the option. But if you square them, you know, say 5 square means 5 times 5. So kinetic energy will be equal to half of 4 now 2. Half of 4 now 2. It means 1 times 4 now 4 divided by 2 now 2 times 5 squared means 5 times 5 will be 25. So 5 times 2 times 25 now 50. Therefore, kinetic energy will be equal to 50. What will be the unit of kinetic energy? As much as it's the same energy there inside, whether na potential energy, whether na kinetic energy, the unit is always Joule. Just like work, we get the unit Joule. Kinetic energy na joules. Potential energy na joules. I hope this one clear. Enjoy the video, Abi.